Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by disassembling the controller carefully, remove the back screws and batteries, and organize screws in labeled containers so reassembly is simple. Once opened, mask any buttons, thumbsticks, and ports with 1/2 painter's tape to protect moving parts. Lightly scuff the surface with 400-600 grit sandpaper to promote adhesion, then wipe all surfaces with 70% isopropyl to remove oils. Do this now, because paint adhesion depends on a clean, slightly abraded surface. Skip this and finish quality will suffer. You'll now build the finish with primer and base colors. First, apply 2 thin primer coats, waiting 10-15 minutes between passes so drips don't form. Once primed, spray 2 to 3 light color coats from 6-8 inches away, using a 15% overlap motion to ensure even coverage. This prevents pooling and orange peel. For logos or trim, use a fine brush and elongate strokes. Once a layer is done, make sure to cure for 24 to 48 hours before masking or clear coating. You finish by applying 2 to 3 clear coats to protect the paint. Spray lightly, wait 15-20 minutes between coats, and allow a final cure of 72 hours for hardness. Once cured, remove tape slowly and check button travel. Make sure nothing binds. Test the electronics before fully sealing the shell so you can fix issues without another teardown. If you see wet spots or a tacky finish, sand lightly with 800-1200 grit. Clean and reapply a light clear coat to restore smoothness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.